Well, hello guys, this is Mr. Mock, and I wanted to do a couple problems to show you substitution. This is from topic 5.3, and we're solving a linear system. And the way that this problem is set up, see how we have a y equals 1 half x plus 4? See how it's a single y? It's basically telling us that this equation here, y equals this. And the whole purpose of solving a system is to figure out when the x's are equal and the y's are equal for these two equations, right? So if I already know for this equation, 1 half x plus 4 is y, I want to find when these y's are the same, right? So that means I can take this y and replace it with this 1 half x plus 4 and set that equal to 8. So I'm basically taking this, putting it in here, and now I can solve for x, which is pretty sweet. Now, notice how I put that which I'm inserting for the y in parentheses, and that's because of this subtraction sign. I have to now distribute that negative through. So this is going to become x minus 1 half x minus 4 equals 8. And now I have x, or 1x minus a half of x, which is going to leave me with half of an x minus 4 equals 8. Add the 4 on both sides. So 1 half x equals 12. So 1 half of what number equals 12? Algebraically, we would multiply both sides by 2, right? Because 2 times a half will give me that 1x equals 12 times 2, which is 24. So now I know that 24 equals x, right? So when both of these y's are equal, x equals 24. So now I just have to really put in the 24 into one of these equations, right? So why don't I just bring this one over? Y equals 1 half x, I just figured out was 24, plus 4. Half of 24 is 12, plus 4. Y is going to equal 16. So the place where these two equations connect is going to be at 24, 16. Okay, so that's our solution for that one. I then wanted to turn the page and go over here and do this one. All right, what is the solution of the system? So again, I have a situation where it's telling me y equals 3x minus 10. So I can put that in to that. Replace that y with 3x minus 10 because, again, the objective is to find out where do these two equations have the same x and y? Where do they cross and connect? All right, so 3x plus 2 times, and again, I'm replacing this y with this set of numbers, this expression, 3x minus 10. So I put it in parentheses, equals 16. Use the distributive property, 3x plus 6x minus 20 equals 16. 3x plus 6x is 9x minus 20 equals 16. Add the 20 to both sides. 9x equals 36. How glorious, because 36 divided by 9 is 4. So now I know what x equals when the y's are equal, right? Because I just took that and put it in for this y. I'm going to take this over here, bring this over there, and now I've got to figure out what y equals when x is 4. So I just insert the 4 in where the x was, right? And again, anytime I'm replacing something, I'm putting it in parentheses, right? So 3 times 4 is 12, minus 10 is 2. So I know that these two lines are going to cross at 4, 2. All right, so that covers topic 5.3 with substitution to solve a linear system. Hope it helps.